Alright, I'm at the historic Hotel Bethlehem. I'm a guest at this hotel, so I can take as many pictures and videos as I want. We got a wheelchair lift, but we're not gonna ride this. It's just a basic Sarvia, nothing really special. Look at how nice this hotel is.
Thank you for choosing Historic Hotel Bethlehem on your visit to the Lehigh Valley. Made the right choice. Boat, hotel, Scott.
And we have two elevators here. That looks awesome. We got this elevator. It's about 11:30 p.m., so I don't think they should be in use right now. Let's go to 9. I think that's the most haunted floor in this hotel from what I read once. Go back to LL. Look at that old, very old Otis plate. These are probably manually operated at a time. We're gonna get off at 9. Yeah, look at that. That looks so cool. Definitely modernized. Old indicator used to be there. Looks like JFK actually stayed at this hotel.